Hi everyone, good afternoon. Myself Shailesh Upreti, founder of C4V, the most advanced lithium-ion battery technology company transforming the energy storage industry with the cutting-edge chemistry and a very unique business model. Today, I'm here as the director of Energy Link 3, which is paving an exciting pathway to synchronize technology and new market together to build world's safest battery right here in Maryland. Let me briefly introduce myself. I got 20 plus years of exciting career in the energy space, of which very thrilling 12 years as an entrepreneur. My career started with the best in the industry, Professor Stan Whittingham, who also won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry last year for inventing lithium-ion battery technology. We are also a proud military-grade battery partner for Navy supplier Martech for their unmanned surface vessel. And recently we developed a 6-minute super fast charge battery, which makes us the only technology company that has ever achieved such a difficult milestone. Through last few years of efforts, a serious need was felt to address the defense market, and L3 was formulated early this year with partners having extensive defense market experience. Later, with the help of F3 Tech partner, we are advancing our product and business development activities along with the help taken in investment strategy. Not to mention, DoD is a mission critical market and can't be fully captured without a good control over the local supply chain. And America isn't doing great in manufacturing batteries locally. We hardly see much effort in domestic manufacturing while China is busy building 1 gigafactory every week. In last 9 years, C4V has built an extensive local supply chain and manufacturing capabilities in New York and successfully running a pilot facility for last 3 years. I'm very excited to share that we will be the second largest gigafactory in North America in 2021 and the only battery factory globally with ex-China supply chain. No doubt, we certainly need more US-based, locally funded and controlled such facilities, and we need them now more than anything to secure our future energy needs. Our product is made of 95% US source material and remaining 5% is coming from the allied nations and not from the sources of concern to our national security that some of our competitors are highly dependent otherwise. I'm also very excited to share our recent news coverage comparing our technology with Tesla. While every day there is an announcement relating higher energy density battery or cheaper battery, yet it takes a decade to bring a new product in this market. And not everyone can make one safer with just as good performance and reasonable cost. From supply chain to customer qualification is a many-year process, and C4V has already completed this end-to-end in defense market. Now it is about the scale for us. In addition, 3 very reputable brands, Con Edison, NYSERDA, and New York City Fire Department came together to analyze the safety of the batteries from 8 different companies. And we were the only advanced technology that didn't catch fire during that test. Our products are safer because of the chemistry we use, which in turn makes them less expensive too. And that makes it very important for our customer in mission critical applications. With a leapfrog 10x improvement in carbon and toxic footprint, we have already disrupted the supply chain to bring a long-term sustainability to the entire value chain. But it is not sufficient to make the cleanest and safest to compete in the market. Let us check out some more about our batteries. I'm very thrilled to share some of the game-changing benefit our super fast charge batteries bring to the table. We have just developed the fastest charging battery and have been able to do so in 6 minutes. This chart here compares us with 2 top leaders in the industry, CATL being China's largest battery manufacturer and Tesla known to everyone. Super fast charge combined with the longer cycle life batteries bring total cost of ownership significantly down. So now our batteries not only cheaper upfront, but also significantly cheaper through lifetime of an application. This combination allows a device battery to be smaller and device more durable. This also makes our batteries marry well with the renewable for long-term maintenance-free togetherness. Now we are fully ready to harvest the maximum value of this in DoD market, and let us explain how. Our progress in C4V is probably quite apparent from the existing $446 million contracts we got in hand from 7 customers, making our New York factory 50% utilized. Additional 50 plus future customers that we are engaged with will also justify why C4V is part of 2 mega size factories, one in USA and other in Australia today. C4V's goal is to build and support 10 such mega factories in coming 10 years globally. While C4V is quite focused on delivering those factories globally, we decided to put part of our IP relating battery management system exclusively in L3 to focus on the DoD market. The fact that we also need top level clearance to address DoD market, a very credible team was put together in L3. Let me now tell you a bit more about how L3 will develop defense energy technologies through an exclusive license from C4V from their market-leading lithium-ion battery technology, which is made right here in the USA. Power, safety, and durability, these factors are the most important for our energy storage security. The Department of Defense is the largest energy consumer in the world, and they want to replace their aging diesel system by 2035 to reduce greenhouse emissions, eliminate the transportation of hazardous fuel, and increase safety while providing more energy than ever before to our troops in the field. Our research agreement with the Army, also prompted by the advancement C4V made with its current technology, providing safer battery storage than had previously existed. Safety is paramount to our troops, as well as the durability and lifetime of the batteries. This is where L3 shines. F3 helped us to provide materials that have been expedited our development process in our communication prototype, one of the few products that Army is entrusted to develop and deploy as soon as possible. Drones and other accessories, as you can see here, are few of the other applications we have recently discussed to bring developing to next year. Any trip to the Eastern Shore, you would see miles of solar arrays and wind turbines situated in the fields of corn that dot the landscape. Those systems generate renewable energy, but if you store it, the future expansion of rural renewable systems requires storing this energy safely. L3 solution also has numerous applications in rural and agricultural area, as it safely makes it the only option viable to store this energy while reducing the risk of contamination in our food supply. Now, I would like to tell you a little more about our investment strategy, product timeline, a potential local manufacturing opportunity, and what we need to get there. Much of our surprise, F3's team was able to help advance our Army negotiations and prototyping, and even introduce us to a few more military opportunities, as well as comparative analysis of competitors in the field. Because of this, we began to reach out to numerous investors for $850,000 we require for engineering and battery development to complete and deliver our prototype by next summer. With the help of F3 and its legal and investor negotiation support, we were able to quickly raise $100K a few weeks ago. Thanks to the rapid 3D prototyping and product strategy they also helped us with, we have been able to expedite our goal to initiate our first contract by third quarter of 2021. And as part of discussions we had with Chris and Sam during the program and their passionation about promotion of these technologies in Maryland, we have begun identifying a possible site in 2021 for a first of its kind DoD secure compliant battery storage manufacturing facility, where it will reside close to our future customer. A vertical integration of this supply chain is what will assure our energy security. So we completely agree that Maryland is where it should be. Our team got over 50 years of military contracting expertise. We have worked with some of the largest consultant and contractors in the industry, as you can probably read some of the well-known names here, military program, and fast track some new technologies. The team's expertise and top level secret clearance are paramount to our success to implement and scale the military new energy storage goal. Help us make energy part of Maryland's future. Thank you and really appreciate your time today.